We have new information tonight about a major drug bust at a Grand Chute hotel.
Federal court paperwork has new details saying 26-year-old Derek Liebergen rented a Grand Chute hotel room back on September 11th. That is where he was arrested. Court paperwork says Liebergen admitted he traveled from Missouri here to Wisconsin with a large amount of meth. The complaint says Liebergen planned to sell the drugs to pay off a debt to his supplier. And authorities say a search of his hotel room led to that discovery of nearly 60 pounds of meth.
Tonight, we're learning more about what kind of an effect this bust could have throughout northeast Wisconsin. NBC 26's Matt Jarko is live in studio after talking with some experts today. Matt.
Nina, this bust is viewed as a significant one in the fight against drugs. It also underscores the significant problem here in our community.
Without a doubt, this is the largest methamphetamine bust that we've seen in northeast Wisconsin.
When authorities took nearly 60 pounds of meth out of a Grand Chute hotel room, they also stopped it from getting into the community.
To be able to take this off the street is significant. It's very positive for northeast Wisconsin.
Sheriff Todd Delane hopes cutting the supply will put a dent in demand.
We may have prevented other people who would have been tempted to try methamphetamine, and knowing that it's so highly addictive that by trying it, then they would have been addicted to it.
Drug treatment experts say when it comes to the meth problem,
it's big.
And it's not going away.
Addiction is a disease. It's a disease that affects individuals, families, and our community.
Connors says with this bust, it's good there are less drugs out there, but when there is a demand, there will be more supply. His focus at the Jackie Nitschke Center is early intervention.
There is hope. It can be treated, but it is challenging.
For law enforcement,
the next dealer is going to fill in or attempt to fill in, and if they do, law enforcement is going to do the same thing, track them down, arrest them, and hold them accountable for their actions.
And for this case, the 9 people named in the federal indictment could all serve a minimum of 10 years prison and a maximum of life behind bars. Matt Jarko, NBC 26.